everybody! I'm here today to show you how to measure your arms. I'll be going over an easy method that you can use to measure the distance around any part of your arm and also the distance, or the length I should say, of your arm if you're doing like a clothing measurement, okay? This is more like a muscular measurement. This is more like a clothing measurement. Let's get right into the video. All that you need is a measuring tape and some sort of string, but I'll show you how easy it is. I don't like carrying a string everywhere around with me, so like I use anything. So I have this card charger right here for my phone. You can use this, anything that has length and is flexible like that, okay? You can use a skipping rope, it doesn't matter. What you want to do first and foremost is you want to put, if you want to measure the distance around your arm, is you want to put that string around your arm. What I like to do, and they sell specific tools for this, but you don't need a tool for this. And I'll measure my forearm first at sort of the widest part. So I'm holding it like this, as you can see right here, holding it like that, okay? And I got up to here. So from the tip of that charger to here, let's go a little bit higher. I think my forearm's a little bit bigger than that. We're gonna go a little bit higher up to the widest part. Try not to squeeze too much of the muscle and skin. So right about there. So my forearm is that wide. How do you measure it? Well, I get my measuring tape, I put on that exact spot, and I go until the end. I can see that my forearm is actually just over 12 inches around. Wow. Not trying to brag, but look at those pythons right there, baby, okay? Now, obviously, you can do the same thing with your bicep. My charger seems to be stuck over here. You can do the same thing with your bicep. It's a little bit more difficult, but basically, you want to flex your bicep and do the exact same thing, okay? I used to have pretty big arms. I'm not so much anymore. I don't work out as much anymore, but I used to be like pretty big when it comes to my arm circumference around, okay? So I'm flexing right there. I got a little bit of a wider spot over here. Come on, I forgot, I'm gonna tell you the measurements here. I wanna make sure I give you the best possible number that we can work with, okay? Put it around your arm, give it a nice flex, okay? Just like this. Now, like I said, it's a little bit easier to do if I had more space, but I'm doing this in the car right now. Give it a nice flex right about there. Okay, right there. Let's see where we're at here. Let's see where we're at. See if we're still in the 17 range that I used to be. We are, no, not even close, not even close. 15 and a quarter. That quarter inch counts, okay? 15 inches and a quarter. Okay, not bad. I used to have about 17-inch arms, which is great back in the day when I worked out every day. But, you know, you grow older and life gets in the way. So we're at 15 and a quarter. Now, if I wanted to measure the distance or the length of my arm, you want to start at your wrist and you want to go to the bone that you feel right here. Generally speaking, that's how you would measure for a clothing measurement. Now, for that, I'm going to hold this side of the charger because I can get this part lined up right against my wrist. So I have that right against my wrist. The measurement of my arm is going to be from there until, let's feel for the bone right here. Right here. So if I was measuring for a shirt, okay, it would go to right here. The measurement would be, let's figure it out right here. All right, let's see what we got. Right to the edge of that. 24 and a quarter. So 24 inches and a quarter. Very simple. It's an easy process. You put the string or the rope or the cord around your arm or at the length of your arm. You figure out where it starts and ends, and then you measure it with a measuring tape. You don't need there are specific tools that you can use for this, but you really don't need a specific tool if you're just measuring your arm once in a while for a shirt measurement or to see your progress for working out and stuff. But that's it. That is how to measure your arms. This has been a very easy tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.